since it is 2024 and a lot of people are making easy money, you are also wondering how you can make a lot of money without having to do a lot of work. Well, this is the video for you, as I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make an insane amount of side income just with the use of AI tools. And you can see some of these channels are only promoting content which is generated with the use of AI, and they're making a crazy amount of side income. Let's get started with our video right away. And the first tool we're gonna use is ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, I highly recommend you to check this out. So if you aren't already signed up to ChatGPT, you can sign up real quick and then you will be presented with this page. But not exactly like this, because I'm using a special extension, and by the use of that extension, I get absolutely stunning results just by using ChatGPT. And the extension is called AirPM. So search for AirPM and you see the first link here. Just open that up. Even if you are on Edge or Chrome, you can install that. And as you can see, it is already added into my browser. So go ahead and do the same. Once you have installed the extension, you will have a page like that. And here, I want you to write Midjourney. And here you will see a lot of different prompts, out of which I'm going to select this one, but you can choose whichever one you like more. And I think this one is good too. It's all up to your preference. You can read through what these prompts do. And I believe the one with a lot of usage is the one you should definitely check out. So let's go with this one here. And just write anything plain and simple. As you can see, I'm writing a very generic prompt, but you will see how it generates some really high quality ones for me. And as you can see, we have gotten some really high quality prompts which we can use to generate our art. Now let's go right ahead and open Leonardo AI. You can use any image generation tools, but I personally prefer Leonardo as it is free and has a lot of capacity to generate amazing artworks. So definitely check it out, but it's not a mandatory step. You can also use Midjourney as well. Once you're here, click on the Launch App button, and if you are already logged in, it will open the homepage for you. Otherwise, it will ask you to sign up. So go ahead and do that. And here we will click on the Create New Image button. Now it is very straightforward. You just go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt. So I'm gonna copy it. Just make sure not to copy these arguments, because those are only supposed to be used with Midjourney. But for the rest of the prompt, you can just copy it as it is. So I'm gonna copy that from here. And on here, I will just paste that. Now you can select model which you can use. For example, I have selected Leonardo Anime XL, but you can also choose between these two, because I think this one is the best and this one is also really good if you want to create anime artworks. Let's try the Lightning XL. I'm going to turn off the image guidance here and then click on the generate button. And do note that on the free version, it gives you about 150 credits and they are reset every 24 hours. Below, you can select the number of images. For example, I selected 4, so I'm going to get 4 of those. And here we have absolutely crazy pictures of Cristiano Ronaldo standing on the moon with a flag. But as you can see, these are in a mobile format. What if you wanted landscape or to show on a larger screen? All you have to do is scroll down here and select the aspect ratio to be 16:9. And now if you click on the generate button, it will create pictures in the landscape format, which is amazing, right? And now if we open one of these images, you can clearly see how amazing the quality shows up. It is like an actual picture of Cristiano Ronaldo. You cannot say that this does not look realistic. I am absolutely stunned with the results. Let us know down in the comments what you guys think, that whether using this extension actually makes a difference or not. But in my case, every single time I've used it, I've gotten stunning results, as you can clearly see here. Now, why don't we try some other model? For example, we have this Anime XL, so let's try using that and see what kind of anime artwork we get of Ronaldo. I'm also going to try the Leonardo Diffusion XL and also one of these other ones, for example, the Aldo Base. Let's see the different models and how they perform. And here we have some images previously from a prompt, and let's have a look here. I think it looks good, and I think this image looks best out of all of them with really high quality and details. Now let's try generating one more image with a different prompt. For example, I'm going to use this one, and let's copy this. Now if we just paste it here and using the same model, I'm going to click on the generate button and I will generate one more using the Lightning XL as well. And here we have an amazing picture of Ronaldo. It's like he's walking on the moon and just looks fantastic. You can also always come back to ChatGPT and edit the prompt. For example, if you want to change the person here, and now we can try some pictures of Messi. Sounds good, right? Now that I've updated a prompt and now we're getting different results here. So why don't we copy one of these and try that on Leonardo AI. And here we have some pictures of Messi on the planet Mars. And as you can clearly see, this is amazing. You can generate a lot of cool artworks with almost realistic features, and you don't even have to do a lot of work. And you can also sell artwork by using this tool and generate arts for other people, which is awesome, right? Let me just have a look at the quality of these arts which we have generated using this tool. So anyways, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.